So before I'm telling about linear equation, do you know about variable and constants? Variables and constants. Okay, so variables are a to z, and constants are numerical values, and so on. Okay, to infinity. Okay, so these are variables and these are constant. Okay, then what are terms? Combination of constant and variable. Okay, means if I'm writing 2x, so 2 is the constant and x is the variable, so it is the combination, and relation is multiplication. Okay, relation is multiply and combination of constant and variable, so it is known as term. Okay, means 2x 5y, or we can write singularly like m, and these are also the terms, so it is single term. Okay, when two or more terms written together with addition or subtraction, then we form a linear equation. Okay, uh, okay, like I'm writing 2x plus 5y is equals to 0, so it form a linear equation. Okay, what do you mean by linear? Linear means a straight line, a straight line. Okay, I'm telling you one by one. Straight line. Okay, straight line. So how do I say straight line? When x plus y is equals to 7, and I draw a graph, and I want to represent this equation on a graph, or we can say Cartesian plane. Okay, so Cartesian plane, it is the intersection of x-axis and y-axis. It is x and it is y. It is x dash and it is y dash. Okay, here we found positive numbers or positive integers, and here we found positive numbers also. Okay, here we found -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3, and -4. In Cartesian plane, we write coordinates. Yes, coordinates. Coordinates. So coordinates like x comma y. Okay, x represent x-axis, y represent y-axis. Okay, and x is known as abscissa. Okay, and y is known as ordinate. Okay, if I'm writing x plus y is equals to 7, if I make y alone or x alone, what I get? X is equals to 7 minus y. And if I make a table like this, okay, listen me. Nice, you understand well. So if I put the value of y 1, if or we let y is equals to 1, then what is the value of x? 6. If I put value 2, then 4. If I put value 3, then uh, it is 5, not 4. Okay, it is 3. So x will be 4. If I write 5, then x will be 2. So what I get? Point A 6 comma 1, B 5 comma 2, and C 4 comma 3, and D 2 comma 5. So I put a little bit more number here. It is 5 and it is 6, and here 5 and 6. Okay, if I make the graph, so I want to put the coordinates on the Cartesian plane. So 6 comma 1, 6 is here, 1 is here. Okay, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 2, from here to here. Okay, 4 comma 3, 4 of x-axis and 3 of y-axis, and D. So 2 comma 5, 2 is here and 5 is here. Okay, so if I make the line, so line will be like this. Yes, that the solution of the equation become a linear line or the straight line. Okay, x equal to 7 minus 1. So x value is 6. So I put 6 here. Let y is equals to 2. Then I put y equal to 2 in x equal to 7 minus 5. 7 minus 2, that is 5. So I put the x. Yes. Okay, understand? So what I got from this equation, that when the power of the equation is linear or 1, then its graphical representation is a straight line. Okay, So we can say uh, what is the recognition of the linear equation. So linear equations recognition or identification is the power of the equation is 1. The power of the equation is 1. Like x plus y is equals to 1. 2x plus 6 is equals to 7. Okay, it is also a linear equation. Okay, 5x plus 7y is equals to 8. If I'm writing x square plus 5 equal to 8, means it is not a linear equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, these all will give a straight line, but it will not give a straight line. It will give a parabola on the Cartesian plane. Okay, till now you understand well that what is linear equation. Linear equation is the combination or the subtraction or addition of terms. Okay, have linear power or power is 1. Okay, got it. So we will understand some sign rule. Okay, sign sign rule. So some sign rule I am telling you that if two numbers are in negative and if we add it, what I get? Minus 4. Okay, so I'll make a table. Okay, I'll make a table and I'm giving just sign is equal to, here also sign and function. Okay, negative is equals to, sign will be negative but function will be positive, like minus minus 2 and minus 2 will equal to minus 4. Sign will be minus but work will be, or function will be addition. Yes. Now minus plus is equals to, sign will be depend upon the number, that number is greater or smaller or positive number or the negative number, like I'm telling you, and function will be negative. Okay, sign I will tell you right now after it. When positive and negative, I'm telling you about, just give me some time so I can take the function will be negative. Okay, when positive and positive, then sign will be positive and function will be positive. Okay, so I'm giving the example of part number second and third. Okay, if I'm writing minus 5 plus 8. Okay, so function will be minus but sign will be positive, means plus 3, means you lend your money with someone, like you take a 5 rupees money to itself, or you give 5 rupees someone. If he return you 8 rupees, means he reduced minus 5 that you have given before, and he gave you 3 rupees more. Okay, so it is positive when you taken 8 rupees as a lend or borrow from anybody and you return 5 rupees. So minus 3, you will be in negative, in minus. Okay, so negative number is greater in looking wise. Okay, then sign will be negative. If positive number be greater, then sign will be positive. Okay, here. Okay, yes, so, function is plus but sign is negative. Like I'm giving you one example more. Like you give some money to your friend, like you give 2 rupees to him. Okay, means it is negative that you have given. Okay, and 2 rupees more you have given to your friend, then the amount on your friend will be added, but he is in negative. Okay, like this you can understand that then minus and minus sign become negative but function is positive. Okay, got it. So I have tell you sign rule in addition and subtraction. Okay, now next sign rule I am telling you, just give me a second. Making a sign rule in multiply. Okay, here is sign. Okay, and here is equal to and equal to. Okay, equal and equal, and here is again sign. What is the answer? Okay, answer sign, answer sign. Okay, so negative multiply negative will give positive number, negative multiply positive give negative number, positive multiply negative give negative number, and positive number multiply positive number will give positive number. As simple as I can tell you. Okay, in sign. Okay, now 3t minus 11 is equals to 7. Okay, so what you have to do in question number 1 in part first, value of t. Okay, value of t you have to find out. So you have to subtract at both the end to equate the equation. Okay, 3t minus 11 plus 11, and here 7 plus 11 means LHS and RHS will be equal. Okay, because I want to remove 11 from here. That's why. Okay, I will tell you simpler method. Okay, no problem. First, do with your book method, then my method. Okay, so now it is written down 3t 11 minus 11. What is 0? 0 add or subtraction. Nothing will be the value of 0 right now. So 3t equal to 18. Now you have to divide by 3 on both the side. So 3 cut down 3 and t is equals to 6. Okay. Now on our simpler method, 3t minus 11 is equal to 7. Okay. What you have to do, you have to transfer 11 from LHS to RHS. So negative will be positive, 11, 3t. Okay. It is 18, 3t. 3 is multiplied t. When it goes to another side, it will come in divide. So t is equals to 6. So both methods are easy and can be accessible. Okay. 2n. Okay. So we can, so here we can write 1 in upon in denominator. We know that we can cross multiply. So 1 multiplied 2n minus 1, that is 2n minus 1 will become same. When I multiply by 9 in 3 plus 2n, what I get? 27 plus 18m. And here what I get? 2m minus 5. Okay. When 18 is transferred from here to here, means RHS to LHS. So 2m minus 18m. And here 27. Negative number will be positive when transferred to RHS. Okay. So it is 5. So when I subtract 2m minus 18m, so what I get? Minus 16m. Yes. And here what I get? 32. So m is equals to 32 upon minus 16. Okay, because it is in multiply. If it is in positive or negative, I mean, it means in addition or subtraction, it will go and transfer in right hand side, change the sign. But it is in multiply, so we didn't change the sign. Okay, so 16, it is 32. Okay, sorry, 32. So 16 to the 32 minus 2. So m value is minus 2. So you can do or not. You know how did I do? 2y 2y square minus 2 3 is 6y plus y minus 3. Okay, here minus 3y square minus 6y. Okay, and here 2y minus y square plus 10. Okay, so 6y 12y and plus 1y means uh, minus 12 plus 1, that is 11. Okay, so 2y square minus 11y, this and this. Okay, and I will fix it also. 2y square and 3y square means minus y square is remaining here. Minus y square is remaining and minus 3 is remaining here. Now 2y minus y square plus 10. Okay, minus 3 is transferred to RHS, that is 10 plus 3, and minus y square minus 11y, and minus y square becomes positive when it goes to RHS. Okay, y square and it is minus 2y. Okay, so y square is cancelled out because it is positive and negative. So it is minus 13y. Yes, and 10 plus 3 is 13. So y is equals to 13 upon 13 means minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 is the correct answer. So I take the LCM of it. So 8 and 6 LCM is 24. Okay, so I divide 8. I divide 24 by 8. So I get 3. And 3 multiply in numerator 2x minus 9 and minus. Okay, now 6 4 and 4. 6 4 and x minus 1. Got it? And here also same. Now 3 to the 6x minus 27 minus 4x minus minus plus, and it is 4 upon 24, and here minus x and here 12. Okay, now 6x minus 4x, that is 2x. Okay, and 27 minus 27 plus 4, that is 23. Yes, and minus 23. Okay, because minus number is greater here. And upon 24, this 24 can be transferred to minus x into 24 upon 12. 24 in denominator. When it transferred to RHS, it will come in numerator. Yes. So 12 to the like this. Okay. So minus 2x. Okay. When I transfer from here to here, so what I get? 2x minus 23. 2x plus 2x is equals to 23. 4x equals to 23. X equal to 23 upon 4.